Okay na, start tayo dun sa original equation na that was given, no? The original equation is quantity 3x minus 1, quantity minus 4 is equal to 6. Dito ang ginamit na solution is yung tinatawag nating elimination. Okay? To eliminate negative 4, anong ginawa? Inadd yung positive 4 on both sides, di ba? Kasi negative 4 plus positive 4, that will amount to 0. So, ano natira? Ang natira ay 3x, quantity 3x minus 1, quantity, ito, plus 0, is equal to 10. When you try to rewrite this one, pwede mo na siyang isulat na 3x minus 1 plus 3x minus 1 plus 0 is 3x minus 1 pa rin, no? So, ganito yung kalalabasan niya. Okay? Tapos, merong computation, di ba, ng what will be the equivalent or the same, no? What will be the same to with quantity 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Ang the same is 3x minus 1 is equal to 10. Not 0 pala, is equal to 10, not 0. Diba? O tapos, diba, ito yung the same. Okay, no? 3x minus 1 is the same as 3x minus 1 quantity is equal to 0. Okay, what is the opposite of 3x minus 1? The opposite of 3x minus 1 will be 3x minus 1 is equal to negative 10. Okay? Yan, no? Ito yung the same. Ito yung opposite. Okay? Paano naging opposite? Ito, positive 10 to eh, di ba? Ito, negative 10. Okay? From there, ano yung ginawa? Sinolve yung value ng x. Again, ano ulit yung ginamit na paraan? Ang ginamit ulit yung paraan is elimination, no? You add positive 1. Ito, add positive 1 rin. Ang matitira dito is 3x. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 11. Okay? 3x plus 0 is 3x. Is equal to 11. Now, to get the value of x, divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Now, 1. So, ano natira? What is the value of x? 11 over 3. That's mo. Dito naman, solving for the value of x, no? In the opposite, no? So, halimbawa ito, ganun din ginawa ulit, elimination, no? You add positive 1. Okay, plus positive 1, that will leave you positive, negative 1 plus positive 1, that will be 0, 3x plus 0. Okay, dito naman, negative 10 plus positive 1, magkaiba ng sign, no? So, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Anong sign ng gagamitin mo? Yung sign ng bigger number. The sign of bigger number is negative. So, ito negative yan. Okay? So, to continue, it will become 3x. 3x plus 0 is 3x is equal to negative 9. Okay? Then, divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, ano natira sa atin? Ang natira sa atin is x over negative 9 divided by 3. Negative 9 divided by 3 is equivalent to negative 3. Kaya ang sagot ay negative 3. Okay? O, dito naman, ang sagot ay x is equivalent to 11/3. Okay, nakuha mo? Ha? Ayan, ganun lang, no? Where's the original formula? No? Ginamitan ng elimination. And then, from there, ano yung the same formula as this one? This one. And then, from the same formula, dinerive naman yung opposite. And not formula, from the same equation, dinerive naman yung opposite equation. 3x minus 1 is equal to 10. What is the opposite of that? 3x minus 1 is equivalent to negative 10. Okay? So, ganun na. Ayan. Sundan mo lang, ha? Tapos pag nalilito ka pa rin, sabihin mo sa akin, ha?